So I don't know if you guys can see this. We had crazy winds on the 4th of July here. This cottonwood tree has been here since I think the house we're living in, it's been at least 40, 50 years because the house was built way back. Then we got this. It just folded. Look at the sun glare in it. Like, it just folded because it was already rotten on the inside. And then, man, I don't know if you guys can see it. My sycamore tree lost a massive branch. See if I can zoom in for you. Yeah, just, that thing is absolutely huge.